Hey guys, we're back. It's the Martins, and today we are going to closing.
We closing, baby. Yeah.
It's loud. Look, this the only thing, when you don't have a car, you be walking, everybody in your vlogging business, okay? No, but we are headed to the train. Kingston is here with us. We kept him home from school today so he can partake in today's journey of closing.
Yes.
We're so excited.
Oh, this is awesome. It's been a long time coming. We've heard stories of people waiting even longer. So, we definitely consider it a blessing,
For sure.
This is great, it's definitely a milestone, a lot of emotions, and here we are.
Here we are. We are headed. So we're gonna go to closing. Probably won't show you that, but we will definitely show you guys the house. Yay! Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in. I'm doing this by myself because Neil is upstairs with the baby. So I'm gonna walk you guys through our home. Let's go. When you walk in, this is the front door. This is our front door situation. We're gonna get a new door, so you just ignore all that. We're gonna get a new door. That's the front door, and I turn around here. We have stairs that goes up. That's all upstairs living, all of our bedrooms, which we'll see in a moment. And then here is our living room area. So we have these bay windows right here. And then come on over here. That's a little stair action. This is all here is the living room. And then if you go forward towards this white, and it's a semi-empty house tour because as you can see, we got all our junk. This is like considered the dining area. We just got a washer and dryer, so that's the washer and the dryer's there. We're gonna take that in the basement. But this is our dining area. As you can see, we have an island here, a couple nice windows. And then if you head back here, you're gonna see our kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen here. Fridge. So the house did not come with a fridge, so we had to buy our own fridge. Just bought this from Lowe's, actually at a really great affordable price. So I'm gonna put the fridge, the washer and dryer as well. I'll put that all on my LTK shop. I'll put the description in I'll put the links in the description box, so that way if anyone's interested, looking to buy a fridge, washer, dryer, Lowe's got the best prices. This fridge, which is really nice, it's like the you water, ice, small ice chunks, lights up when you push it, super cute. We still have to get everything hooked up, but this is the fridge. This is the freezer section. And these over here, they go in the freezer as well. I just have to figure out where they go. But they go in the freezer, those shelves. And then this is the fridge. As you can see, it's brand new. Just have like 2 drinks in there that we had brought over. We haven't moved in yet. That's why it's completely empty. We still have about a week, another week before we officially move in. Nice cabinet space, dishwasher, which I'm so excited because I've never owned a dishwasher. I've also never owned a fridge with an ice and water machine. So me and Neil both actually have never were raised with either of these. We were the dishwashers of our homes, and then you just got water and ice like normal. So this is all luxury to us. First time we both have had this. So when we purchased our fridge, we were like, it has to have an ice and water machine on the fridge. Like, that was a non-negotiable for us. So we got the fridge that we wanted, and it's super cute. But yes, gas stove, microwave. Those came with the home. The dishwasher as well came with the home. But y'all ain't give us no fridge though, for real. But yeah, that's the house. Down that way is the basement, which I don't know if we're gonna get into the basement because I have some things that I want to do with our basement. So we'll touch on that later. But it is fully finished.
Come on, Daddy.
Hey guys, he's naked. Okay.
Yeah, he's naked.
Oh, he's naked.
Come, Kingston.
He got his show. You gonna get on his back?
Okay, guys, because Kingston wasn't dressed, I couldn't get upstairs to film the rest of the empty house tour. So what I'm showing you guys now is the upstairs. This is actually when we were doing like a tour of the house, so it's not empty. This room here is our bedroom. This is me and Neil's bedroom. They have like a couch, like a sofa in there. And so it looks a little bit like it may be small, but it's actually a pretty decent size. It has 2 closets. Closet space isn't like a lot, but we definitely are going to put like a wardrobe closet on the wall that they have the couch on there. And then the next room is Kingston's room. This is going to be Kingston's room. Super cute. He has a closet, but we also already have a wardrobe closet from his old room. And so you'll get to see, like, when I start to decorate, I'll do videos on how I kind of like upgrade the rooms. We're going to be doing painting and things like that. So definitely excited for you guys to see that. Then the next room that we're going to go into is going to be my closet. My closet is so cute. This will be my office and my closet because as you saw in our bedroom, it's not much closet space, but I'm going to make this my closet as well as my office. And again, it's a lot more spacious than it seems with this bed in here. So painting, I'm going to do videos on this, so definitely stay tuned.
Okay, so now here you will see the bathroom. Again, I know you can't really see it because everybody's in the bathroom looking at it right now. But this is the bathroom. It's not really my style, but we can go with it until we decide to change it out. It's doable. But yeah, so that's pretty much the house, what everything looks like. Y'all know I got videos coming your way, so definitely stay tuned because we're going to be doing painting, we're going to be decorating, we're going to do a lot to the house. It's not a new build, of course, it's an older home, but the home actually was already renovated, so we don't have to do much, just like cosmetic painting, things like that. So super excited. So you guys stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you on the next one.